I sought the Lord, and he heard me and delivered me from all my fears. The violent arrow, the violent man, the deadly spell, Ragobanama. I keep hearing it. You will not be put to shame. You will not see shame. They will not say, where is your God? Where is your God? Where is your God? Where is your God? He serves the Lord. She serves the Lord. Where is the God that she cries to every night, every day? Where is the God that he cries to every night, every day? Asheda Komana. Mercy can never know your past. Mercy can never place or look at your past and ignore you. Mercy sees God's grace, God's presence, God's ability to come on you. In his manifold mercy, he did not forsake them. You will not be abandoned. You will not be abandoned. You are crying. He has heard. He is showing up tonight. Ananotanama. Your daughter is waiting for you. Your son is waiting. They will not ask, where is the God? Madabaya, 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 Madabaya. Arise, O God. Your power, your power, your power, your power, your power, your power.